Hello guys, there we have a Realme 10, and today I will show you how you can use a reverse photo search into Google on this device. So you can do it by two ways, from the Google Lens and from your web browser. So I will start from the Google Lens way. We have to open our gallery and choose the photo you want to search in the Google. I will choose that one and click here on Lens. How you can see, it worked perfectly. Now you are looking for this for your image in the Google. Okay, the other way, you have to open your web browser, go to google.com, and it's very important, click here and choose desktop site. How you can see, now we have a small camera icon, tap on it and click upload a file. Now choose your file. I will choose that one. Now it's uploading to the web browser. And that's it. How you can see, it's work nice and very fast. Thanks for the watching, leave us a subscribe and goodbye.